A few days ago, a viewer from Pakistan commented, "I have 8 to 10 years of experience as a caregiver and I'm interested in working in Croatia. Please guide me." If you have a similar dream, this video is for you. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Purpose Path TV Global, where faith, purpose, and opportunity connect. If you've been dreaming of working in Europe as a caregiver, today's video is for you. Over the past few weeks, many of our viewers from Pakistan, India, Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, the Philippines, and other countries have been asking the same question. How can I apply for caregiver jobs in Croatia? Some have years of experience caring for the elderly, people with disabilities, or patients in hospitals and homes but don't know where to begin. In today's video, I'll explain the step-by-step application process, the qualifications employers generally look for, the documents you'll need, how the work permit process works, and important mistakes to avoid. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell because we regularly share verified information on jobs abroad for nurses, caregivers, teachers, and other professionals. Now, let's get started. Part 1. Why Croatia? You may be wondering, why Croatia? Croatia has become an increasingly attractive destination because of its growing need for workers in healthcare, elderly care, tourism, construction, and manufacturing. Like many European countries, Croatia has an aging population. As more elderly people require assistance, the demand for caregivers continues to grow. Many employers are now willing to recruit qualified international workers when local workers are unavailable. Some employers may even assist successful candidates with the work permit process. This makes Croatia an option worth considering if you're looking to work in Europe. Part 2. Who can apply? Who is eligible? Generally, employers prefer candidates who have 1. Experience caring for elderly people. 2. Experience supporting people with disabilities. 3. Home care experience. 4. Hospital experience. 5. Nursing assistant experience. 6. Healthcare assistant experience. 7. Caregiver certification, where available. Although some employers accept experienced caregivers without formal certification, having a recognized caregiving certificate can strengthen your application. If you are a nurse, nursing assistant, community health worker, or experienced home caregiver, you may also qualify depending on the employer's requirements. Part 3. Documents you should prepare. Before applying, prepare the following. Updated CV. Your CV should clearly include your work experience, your caregiving responsibilities, your education, your skills, languages you speak, your contact information, passport. Ensure your passport is valid. Educational certificates. Include any caregiving, nursing, or healthcare qualifications. Employment references. Letters from previous employers can strengthen your application. Police clearance. Some employers may request this. Medical examination. Depending on the employer and immigration requirements. Passport photographs. Keep recent passport-sized photographs ready. Preparing these documents in advance can make your application process much smoother. Part 4. How to find caregiver jobs. Where can you find jobs? There are several options. Option 1. Apply directly to employers. Many healthcare providers and care facilities advertise vacancies online. Option 2. Apply through licensed recruitment agencies. Be careful to use reputable agencies. Always verify the employer and never pay large sums of money simply to secure a job offer. Option 3. Follow trusted career channels, like Purpose Path TV Global, where we regularly share verified recruitment opportunities and guidance. Remember, avoid anyone promising guaranteed visas in exchange for money. Always verify job offers before making payments. Part 5. The work permit process. This is one of the most important parts. Once an employer decides to hire you. Step 1. You receive a job offer. Step 2. You sign the employment contract. Step 3. Your employer starts the process of obtaining approval for your stay and work permit from the Croatian authorities. You cannot simply travel first and look for work if your visa requires a work authorization. After the necessary approvals are granted, you may then apply for a Croatia long-stay D Visa if required for your nationality. Always follow the instructions given by the Croatian Embassy or Visa Application Center in your country. Part 6. What is the Croatia D Visa? Many viewers ask, what is the D Visa? The Croatia D Visa is a long-stay visa issued to people who have been approved to stay in Croatia for purposes such as employment. After receiving your visa, you travel to Croatia. Once you arrive, you complete your residence registration and obtain your residence permit according to Croatian regulations. Always ensure you understand the conditions attached to your visa before traveling. Part 7. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's talk about mistakes. Mistake number 1. Applying without updating your CV. Mistake number 2. Sending incomplete documents. Mistake number 3. Paying unverified agents. Mistake number 4. Ignoring employer instructions. Mistake number 5. Believing every advertisement on social media. Take your time. Research properly. Verify information. Follow official procedures. Conclusion. Croatia can be a good opportunity for experienced caregivers looking to work in Europe. Preparation is the key. Build a professional CV. Gather your documents. Apply only through verified employers or licensed agencies. Be patient throughout the process. Most importantly, continue improving your skills because experienced caregivers remain in demand in many countries around the world. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Purpose Path TV Global, and share it with someone who is looking for caregiving opportunities abroad. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which country are you applying from? Write your country in the comments, and let me know which European country you would like me to cover next. Thank you so much for watching. This is Purpose Path TV Global, where faith, purpose and opportunity connect. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.